everybody, and welcome to another Pokemon card opening video. So the last one of these I did went over really well, so I'm back at it again. This time with a tin. The Dawn Wings Necrozma tin to be exact. I ordered this tin off of Amazon, and it came a day earlier than I expected it to. Yeah, so that is very comforting. Comforting to hear. It's very nice for me since I'm able to get this out right away. The data order. As I'm opening this out, I will tell you that it is Labor Day right now. And obviously the family and I are celebrating. We did most of our celebrating yesterday, though. We played some games and we watched a movie in The Incredibles 2, which is a really good movie. I highly recommend you watch it. Whoa! Bad tablet. I think it did that the last time, too. I do, and I'm very upset. Stay. Yeah. Alright, there we are. Now in here is the Necrozma GX. Excuse me, I'm gonna fix this so I can get it out of the tin. So that makes me remember to try and gently get this out of here. There we are. Here's a better look at it. This is a reprint from the this is a reprint of the exact same GX from Ultra Prism. So, well, this one is of a different pose, obviously. See, it's a lot more blue because of the way it looks. Obviously, this guy is going to get a sleeve. I have some leftover sleeves from the Dragon Majesty Elite Trainer box that I opened up. So I am going to be putting those to good use with this tin. And regardless of what I get, they will be very useful indeed. So I'm going to set this aside. Get the code card, and in the tin, there is one pack of Ultra Prism, the aforementioned set. And it's of Dawn Wings Necrozma art, which is very fitting. Let's see here. One of Crimson Invasion, another Sun and Moon set. And it looks like there are some Generation 6 packs in here as well. Hello. Being Steam Siege and Fates Collide. Sorry if I'm hogging the camera for you, Vault, but I had to do something. So those are all of the cards, or all the packs to contain the cards in that tin. So on that note, let us begin. We will go from oldest to newest, I guess? And I did the research, and Fates Collide, I believe, came before Steam Siege. So I'm going to be opening up the Fates Collide pack first. I have opened up these sets before, these Generation 6 packs before, in a set of tins that I got from Costco. So it should be no surprise. So I know what to get from this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This behind there. There. Well, let me some support, will ya? So we got a Carbink, Deerling, Minchino, Bronzor, Snubble, Fossil Excavation Kits, Wormadden, Kabuto Reverse Bronzer, and an X-Cloud regular. So, nothing too exciting from the Fate Collide pack. Next is the Steam Siege. I was lucky enough to get an EX from Steam Siege, actually. So I'm very happy. This one's being mean to me, so I'm gonna get my scissors. And this one's being mean to me. Of course, because this is mean to me, it might have a good pull in it. But we'll see. But there's no guarantee. Just saw nothing. Think. Okay, I don't think that got messed up too much, but I'm not taking any chances. This is at the same time. So let's do that. So in the Steam Siege pack, we got a Joltik, Liquid, Ponyta, Meryl, Oshawott, Clawfossil Anorith, Clang, Special Charge, Reverse Clang, and a Volcanion EX Secret Rare! No way! That's awesome! Look at that! That baby's getting a sleeve! And I can't get the sleeve to open. Get it in the sleeve. Our second secret rare! Or my second secret rare of all eternity. In the first one of Generation 6. That's awesome! I'm setting that one aside. You know what, actually, let's lay my ultras out here. Let's lay my good pulls out here. Here, make it easier for me. That is awesome! I don't care what else I get from this, because that's worth. Alright. Crimson Invasion is next. Oh, that didn't go over well. Well, let's see. Now to do the scissor method. The scissor method. Did that come with code? I don't know. I'm sure I'll find it. Yeah, I did pull 4. Did pull 4. 4. Okay, so in the Crimson Invasion back, we have a Jingmo, Devoured Field, Staryu, Houndour, Ghastly, Svilis, Miltank, there's a Fighting Energy, Goregeist, Corphish, I might have done that wrong, but oh well. A Grumpig, which is an uncommon. I thought that was a rare at first. And I think I did it wrong, actually. Did do it wrong, because I think I lost the rare. It was the Goregeist. Okay, so the Goregeist was the rare. That sucks. I did that last video, too. Ew. That's embarrassing. So, nothing exciting from Crimson Invasion. But we still have one more pack to go, and that is the Ultra Prism pack. Pack. This one's being mean to me. Ugh. card out. Lay out the cards. And then go from there. We got a Gibble, Electabuzz, Roselia, Turtwig, Krogunk, Skunktank, Gardenia, Barugly. There is the Energy, Reverse of Dupider, and the rare is an Infernape Hollow. Nice! So that is our third hit of the tin. And the final. And the final hit of the... And the final hit of the tin, actually. Actually, very nice. Is. So let's do a quick recap. So we got the GX promo. Well, here, that we didn't pull, but we did wind up getting a hollow and a freaking secret rare Volcanion on. So regardless of whether or not I got more good pulls with that tin or not, that is still worth. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.